Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to bulk import users in the 3CX admin console. To start, log in to 3CX. Go to the 3CX admin console. Select the Users tab. Press this button to export users into a CSV file. Navigate to your Downloads folder and open the file. Clear the user information in each cell. Enter the required fields of first name, last name, and email address for each user. The mobile number field is optional. Save the CSV file and confirm the file format if it prompts you. Press this button to import users into 3CX. Upload the file from your Downloads folder. You'll receive a message that looks like this to indicate that it's uploading successfully. After it's done uploading, verify your imported users. Congratulations! You've successfully bulk imported users in the 3CX admin console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.